What's up, traders? This is going to be a quick review, kind of a breakdown of a price action concept that I've been studying a lot recently and just my overall thoughts on it, because how this adds value is at the market open, we are seeing extremely bullish and bearish moves with almost no pullbacks in the last 2 or 3 weeks or so. So what this leads me to wonder is, does depth of pullback matter, or is it more about the time of pullback? So when I say depth, I mean like how far back does it come before continuing higher, versus time, which would be how long price spent time at a specific area. So to use this today as a great example, I always see at least right around 2 legs outside the opening range if we are going to, like, when we do have a single break day. So this is the first leg outside the opening range. We are bullish, break out, break previous day's VWAP, and then this is that 7 a.m. home sales news candle that really gives us the momentum to continue bullish throughout the rest of the morning. Now, excuse me, what I want to talk about, sorry, is this, I'm going to call it a pullback, but it's not a pullback like how you would originally see. So I'm just going to pull a markup up. I deleted the notes and whatnot, but this is the chart that we're seeing. So like I said, here's the first leg out of the opening range. Now, what I want to draw our attention to is this level right here. Now, levels on the 1-minute chart are not super important. However, for this concept, I do want to bring, just some overall attention to it. We'll close this out so we can focus on the markup at hand. So price opens and closes basically at its highs, pauses for a minute, and then shoves off of it. This is really a level in hindsight, but I think it is important to look at it because it is now becoming a level. So we make a new high, we have a small pullback, and now we set a new high with a wick. If this base did not set a new high, and for example, it just made lower highs, like this wick was never broken, I wouldn't be looking at this pullback or this consolidation zone the same. Now, here we set another little high. We're just chopping. We're just chopping between this 49 and 39 level. Now, what I think is important about this is this candle right here. We wick and close under, or we get any of the stops that are people who have a really tight stop, like those high frequency trading algos that have a stop here. Those are getting taken out, and then it's continuing higher. We could see this candle close bearish, and on top of it, the next candle pushed for a new candle body high of day. This is very important. The candle body high of day. Wicks are good, but bodies are better. So this consolidation was 15 minutes of basing. The delta was at 11K. It made a new high in the base. It held the news level and used that momentum to continue bullish. Now, again, this just leads to the question of, does depth of pullback matter or time of stall? If you guys are interested in this at all, let me know. I'd love to get on a call with somebody and talk about this, as well as, give me your take. Does depth of pullback matter more or less than time spent in the pullback?